Welcome to RBL. Today guys, we're going to be going over the KFC Survival Kit. This is going to be the mini survival kit, as we did a large one in the past. I'll go ahead and link that video down below, as well as the KFC bucket video. But this is out of one of the mashed potatoes or gravy bins. It says reusable on the top, dishwasher safe, all that good stuff. So you can clean this up in the dishwasher, go ahead and reuse it. You are going to want to add either Ranger bands or some kind of tape or silicone to the sides just to keep it sealed, because when the container flexes, it will pop the lid. So that's one thing to watch out for with these. But let's get into it. Right on top, you have a nice little dish. You can mash up some berries and write down some signs on trees or whatever you need to do. Mash up some charcoal. Right here, we have our signal whistle, a very basic whistle. Kind of a cheaper one, but still blows, still sounds the same. If you guys want some really nice whistles, I'll go ahead and link the website down below. It is the Acme tornado whistles. They are very good. They have a nice selection and they're very, very well priced. So I hope you guys would indulge yourself and go check that out. Here we have our Star Flash signal mirror. Go ahead and look through there, look at your target and flash them with the light. Go ahead and put this on a lanyard if you wanted to. Very nice little signal mirror. Trying to keep this safety plastic on there as long as I can. It'd be cool if you get like a rubber case for that and you can put it around your neck and it'd be safe just to bash against anything else. Here we have 3 safety pins. Also guys, I just want to add that we have 2 other KFC kits. I'll go ahead and link both of those down below. I don't know if I said that yet, but we'll go ahead and link both of those down below. Here we have our snare wire for some cordage. That stuff's great for building shelters or for boiling water over the fire. And you have a water bottle. You can string it up with this, tie a nice spit with this, and get it done. Here we have our compass. Just a basic button compass. And for cutting, we have our off-brand Swiss Army knife. We have our can opener, or bottle opener, screwdriver. We also have a pair of scissors, as well as our main blade, 1 saw blade, and let's see, 2 saw blades. So that's really nice. We have our corkscrew. We have an awl. And everyone keeps saying that this is the fish descaler. I believe this is a dull blade, maybe a shiv, I don't know. Or it might be a screwdriver. Here we have a Phillips head, as well as our tweezers, which are good for first aid. Pulling out splinters in the wilderness is a common occurrence, so don't break them. And then we have a toothpick. And that's the knife. We have a nice little thing here, so if you wanted to attach it to something, you could. We also have a ferrocerium rod with that. Start fires. You strike it, throws a nice spark, and you have a good amount of tinder. Here we have 1 water purification or water activated towelette. Sorry. Next, we have our emergency rescue blanket. This is a Mylar blanket, so it's really good for reflecting the heat back at you. So when you're making a shelter, this can keep you dry as well. For a little boost, we have some Heinz mustard. I think I forgot about you. Here we have our twine, some basic yard twine for our cordage. Pair up with the snare wire and get a nice shelter going and a nice spit. Cook over the fire, boil over the fire. We have a water collection bag here. Just using a trash tie to keep it a little more compact. We also have a mini fishing kit. We have our line in there, a couple leads, a couple small snap-on sinkers, as well as a couple hooks. We also have our basic sewing kit, which is this 1 kind of thread, the needle, wrapped around some cardboard. Does the job. We have a good amount of different cordages here. We have our sewing cordage, yard twine, snare, and our fishing line. So you're not going to be shorter quarters here. We also have our Bic lighter. And these are really cool because if it does run out of fuel or this cracks or gets wet and this is inoperable, you can always just remove the flint, or you could just start putting these flints in there alone and it throws a very nice spark. That's why I'm going to start putting these clipper lighters in my kits, because they're very good for that. And yeah, that is the kit, guys. So now you have a container. If you want to put water in this or collect berries in this and just throw this stuff in your pockets, you can. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for checking out the channel. Have an amazing day. And I'm going to go get some rest. Thank you guys for watching.